Imagine a world beyond our solar system, a planet hidden in the darkness of deep space, larger than Earth, heavier than Earth, wrapped in a mysterious atmosphere, and possibly covered by endless oceans beneath alien clouds. This world is called K2-18b. Located around 124 light-years away in the constellation Leo, K2-18b has become one of the most fascinating planets ever discovered in humanity's search for life beyond Earth. Scientists believe this distant world may contain the essential ingredients needed for life. Not cities, not intelligent aliens, but perhaps something simpler. Tiny living organisms hidden beneath alien oceans. And if that possibility is real, it changes everything. Because for the first time in history, humanity may be close to detecting signs of life on a world orbiting another star. Welcome to Infinite Science. Tonight, we journey across the galaxy to explore one of the most mysterious planets ever found, an ocean world that could rewrite humanity's place in the universe. Part 1. The Discovery. K2-18b was discovered in 2015. At first, it looked like just another exoplanet, one of thousands of worlds orbiting distant stars. But over time, astronomers realized this planet was different, very different. K2-18b orbits a small red dwarf star, much cooler than our Sun. And unlike many hostile exoplanets, this world exists within what scientists call the habitable zone. That means temperatures there could potentially allow liquid water to exist. And where there is liquid water, the possibility of life begins. But K2-18b is not another Earth. It is much larger. The planet is more than twice Earth's size and over 8 times more massive. A strange hybrid world. Too large to be rocky like Earth, too small to be a giant gas planet like Neptune. A completely different kind of planet, one humanity has never seen before. Part 2. How we study a world we can't see. No human has ever seen K2-18b directly. There are no photographs of its surface. No spacecraft has visited it. So how do scientists know anything about this distant planet? The answer is extraordinary. When K2-18b passes in front of its star, a tiny fraction of starlight travels through the planet's atmosphere before reaching Earth. That atmosphere changes the light. Different gases absorb different colors and wavelengths, almost like invisible fingerprints hidden inside the starlight. Using powerful telescopes, scientists can study those fingerprints and determine which molecules exist in the atmosphere of a planet located trillions of kilometers away. It is one of the greatest scientific achievements in human history. And when researchers studied K2-18b, they discovered something remarkable. Methane, carbon dioxide, water-related signals, molecules connected to chemistry that, under the right conditions, could support life. Then came an even more controversial possibility. Possible hints of molecules that, on Earth, are associated with living marine organisms. The discovery shocked the scientific world. Not because it proved life exists, but because it suggested that K2-18b might be one of the most promising places ever discovered in the search for alien biology. Part 3. The Hycean World. Scientists believe K2-18b may belong to a new class of planets called Hycean worlds. Hydrogen plus ocean. A massive planet with a hydrogen-rich atmosphere and potentially enormous liquid oceans beneath it. Imagine standing there. Above you, a dim red star glows through thick alien clouds. The atmosphere is dense and mysterious. The gravity feels stronger than Earth's. There are no forests, no mountains, no cities. Only endless oceans stretching across the planet beneath an alien sky. And somewhere inside those oceans, perhaps chemistry became biology. Perhaps life emerged. Maybe not intelligent life, Not civilizations, not spaceships, just microscopic organisms floating in dark alien seas. Simple life, the kind of life Earth itself once had billions of years ago. And if life could begin there, then maybe life is not rare in the universe at all. Part 4. The biggest question. For thousands of years, humanity believed Earth was unique, the center of existence. But every century changed that belief. We discovered Earth orbits the Sun. Then we learned the Sun is only one star among billions. Then we discovered planets around distant stars. And now, we are beginning to study the atmospheres of those worlds. Humanity is entering a new era, an era where we may detect life without ever leaving Earth, not by visiting alien planets, but by analyzing the chemistry of distant skies. That possibility is revolutionary, because if life exists on K2-18b, then life may exist everywhere. On ocean worlds, on moons, on planets orbiting red stars, across the galaxy, perhaps even across the universe itself. And suddenly, Earth no longer feels alone. But science requires caution. K2-18b is still a mystery. Scientists do not know for certain if the planet truly has oceans. The atmosphere may be too extreme. The temperatures may be too high. The pressures may be enormous. Some researchers believe the planet could resemble a mini Neptune rather than a habitable ocean world. And the possible chemical hints connected to life are still debated. The signals could have non-biological explanations. The data still needs confirmation. This is how science works. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. And right now, K2-18b remains one of the greatest unanswered questions in astronomy. But even uncertainty can be powerful, because uncertainty drives discovery. Part 6. A message from the cosmos. Think about what this means. For most of human history, the stars were unreachable lights in the sky. Now, we can analyze the atmospheres of planets orbiting those stars. We can search for oceans, search for chemistry, search for biosignatures, search for life. Humanity has gone from wondering whether other worlds exist to studying them in detail. That transformation happened within a single lifetime. And this is only the beginning. Future telescopes may one day reveal even clearer evidence, perhaps signs of oxygen, perhaps changing seasons, perhaps unmistakable biological activity. And maybe one day, humanity will finally hear the answer to the oldest question ever asked. Are we alone? Somewhere in the darkness of the constellation Leo, K2-18b continues orbiting its dim red star. Silent, distant, mysterious. An alien ocean world hidden 124 light years away. And across the emptiness of space, faint traces in its atmosphere travel toward Earth like whispers from another world. Maybe those whispers are meaningless, or maybe they are the first signs that life exists beyond our planet. And if that is true, then humanity is not witnessing the end of a mystery. We are witnessing the beginning of a new chapter in cosmic history. The universe is vast beyond imagination. Billions of stars, trillions of planets, infinite possibilities. And somewhere among them, life may already exist. K2-18b could become one of the greatest discoveries in human history, or it could remind us how difficult the search truly is. Either way, it has already changed humanity forever. Because now we know something incredible. We are finally capable of searching for life among the stars. This is infinite science. Explore the unknown, question the universe, and never stop looking up. If you enjoyed this journey beyond Earth, subscribe to Infinite Science and join us for the next exploration into the mysteries of the cosmos.